Hey everyone, this is a quick 5-minute video to walk you through lesson 5. The first thing that you should do is complete the vocab app. So I want you to go to card 1, pause the video, and you should spend about 7 minutes in the vocab app. You need to get 25 activities done at least during a week. So you need to make sure that you are spending time in the vocab app. Pause the video now and complete that. All right, the next thing that you're going to do is explore this text. The first thing that I want you to do is just read this text. It's called Fish Cheeks. And then you're going to write 3 or 4 sentences summarizing the story. So you can go ahead and do that now. Pause the video. Our next step is to reread Fish Cheeks and find 2 moments where Tan slows down, zooms in, and gives precise descriptions. Identify each moment and what happened. So please go into the text now and highlight in yellow 2 places where the author slows down the writing, maybe through sensory details, describing really in depth what something looks like or sounds like or feels like. And then number 2, why do you think she's emphasizing, or what do you think she's emphasizing in each of these moments? So, for example, when she's describing what the food looks like, what do you think she is emphasizing? What does she want us to understand about those moments? Pause the video and answer those questions. You're going to go over to number 2. And we're specifically focusing on this section of the text. So read this, and then I want you to answer, how does Tan want her reader to feel when reading this description? How can you tell? And then number 3, why does she choose these details? Why do you think she wants her reader to feel that particular emotion? So let's say you pick disgusted. She wants the reader to feel disgusted. Why does she want the reader to feel disgusted? Does she want us on her side? All right, and then you're going to read this small section of text and you're going to respond to this poll. Which description in paragraph 3 created the clearest picture in your mind or gave you the strongest reaction? So you're going to choose which of these quotes you felt like was the most impactful. Activity 4 is going to be a writing activity. You're going to choose a food that you love or one that you really don't like. So a food you love or a food you hate. You're going to write a scene where people are preparing or eating this food. Use sensory language and precise descriptions to get your reader to feel the same way about this food. So I want you to set a timer for 12 minutes or look at the time, and then I want you writing the entire 12 minutes. Once you get this complete, you're not going to do number 5, which is the share, because unless you have someone at home that you want to share your text with, you can move on to number 6. And I want you to choose a place in your writing that you use sight, sound, smell, taste, or touch, and write that in this box. And then which detail do you think makes your feelings clearest to your reader? So based on what you wrote, what do you think is the most impactful to your reader? Then you're going to go to number 7 and complete the exit ticket. It's just matching a couple quotes and then choosing one of the descriptions and rewriting the sentence to make the food sound delicious and appetizing. So both of these sound pretty gross. So now I want you to change that and make them sound appetizing. You're going to go to number 8, the solo. You're going to complete all of the questions in the solo. Remember that these are part of your grade. We're checking these for your understanding. And then you are not required to do this challenge writing. Thank you, guys.